Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you how to sort data in a MS Access continuous form in a very easy manner. According to this method, you can sort your continuous form data when you click on the form heading label. So I will explain this step by step. On the other hand, in this video I will explain one additional thing. It is that when you click on the form label to sort your data, then the text color of your label will also change accordingly. So this is what I am going to explain you today. So before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Okay, let's go to the video. So this is my Microsoft Access continuous form. So this form contains 500 records sample data. So I want to sort this data once I click on the label headings. So here I want to add, so here I am going to add several heading labels to explain this process. So I am going to right click this form and I go to design view. So here I want to add several labels. So under the form designing, I take this label, then I want to name it as ID. Then I'll change the font color of this label to white, and also I'll increase the font size to just say 14, and I bold the label heading. So this is my first label heading ID. So likewise I want to add another label for my second column of my continuous form. So I name it as F name, it means first name. Yes, now the third one, the third label is for the last name. Last name, first name, last name, and this one is for the company name. And the fifth one or fifth label is for the address. And the sixth one is for the city. I think that is enough. So I can add, up to now for the explanation purpose, I will add these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 labels to explain the process to you. So this is more than enough. So I want to add this one, I want to adjust this form heading. Like this. Yeah, when I go to the form view, now my continuous form is like this. Now I have added 6 heading labels. So what I want to do, I just want to sort my data in this MS Access continuous form once I click the label. So once I click on the label, data will change or data will sort accordingly. On the other hand, the font color of this label also change once I click on the label. So that is what I going to do now. So to do this, what should I do? Here I have to add small VBA coding part to achieve this one, to complete this one. So here I'll right click my continuous form, then I select design view, then there I expect to add sort method for these 6 headings, label headings. So there my first label heading is ID, so I select the ID label, then I want to change the label name, so you can keep as it is, but it is easy if you can change the label name. So here I am going to change the label name as LBL ID, and for this one I am going to change LBL F name, and for the last name LBL L name. For the company address, just say LBL, just a com name, like that. For the address label LBL address, and the last one city, label name is LBL city. That's it. So I changed the label name and I kept the caption name as it is. You see the caption names are same. As the text box name. Now the next step is this. Then I want to go to code builder. Then I want to go to the VBA window. To do that, I click on this ID label, then right click. So from that menu I select build event. So under the build event I select code builder. So once I click the code builder and press OK, then I'm in the VBA window. So here I am going to add several small VBA codes to achieve this target. So what is my VBA code? So here I am going to add something like this: me dot order by equal F name, caption name of the label. So I gave the caption name of my label, then enter. Then the next line is me dot order by on order by on equal true. So I added this code, this VBA code, for sorting purpose of the data, and this is to change the font color of the label. When I click on the label, when I click the label name to sort the data, then font color also change accordingly. So what is the code to change the font number is, then again type me dot LBL label name LBL ID. So here this should be ID. Yeah. Then the LBL ID dot for color equal, let's say green color, VB green. Right. So this is the code you need to add. So just check the ID column. So let's save and close the VB window and move to the access window. Save, then the form view. Now I want to check by clicking the ID label. Yes, once I click the ID label, it sorts according to the ascending order. It sorts according to ascending order. So in that case, likewise, I can add other column. This method, other columns also. Let's try to do this. Then again, go to this hand view, build event, then code builder. Yeah. Now I am going to add this method to what we called label first name. Then again me dot order by F name, first name, then me dot order by on equal true. Then again me dot LEL F name dot for color equals VB V. Then again save, and I want to add the same thing to last name, code builder. I'll copy and paste this code to save my time. Here code by L name and the font color me dot LBL name equals dot for color equals VB green. Yeah. Then again for the company name, build event, the company name. LBL company name dot for color equal VBGR. Yeah. So likewise you can add sort method to each and every column of a continuous form, and also color changing coding can be added like that. So let's check what will happen. Yeah, once I click the ID, you see it sort accordingly. So when I click F name, it sort according to the alphabetical order. When I click the last name, so it sort accordingly. Then I click on the company name, it changed. So likewise you can add this code part to address city like that. So I think So this is the method you should follow to add the sort method for your continuous form when you click on the label, and color also change accordingly. So I think you can understand something. So you can add your MS Access database forms this method. So I will add the sample database file under the video description. I'll add the link to download the sample video file. So if you need any clarification about this method, please put a comment under the video comment section. So that is it for today. So let's meet with another video. Thank you very much.